Here, waste is not the end, only the beginning.
Automation captures what was once discarded. Human oversight keeps the process precise.
Volume turns chaos into flow.
Gravity does the first work.
Movement creates momentum.
Power prepares its own fuel. Power prepares its own fuel. Consistency is engineered. The journey leaves the field.
Distance is only a design challenge.
Control keeps energy contained.
Storage. Storage gives time to transform.
Preparation refines potential.
The factory awakens to its raw fuel. Energy begins its journey inward.
From farm soil to industrial ground.
Balance protects the system.
The threshold of transformation.
Infrastructure channels potential.
Gravity accelerates purpose. Uniformity is essential. Precision governs power. Prepared fuel moves forward. Scale defines capability. Controlled entry matters.
Monitoring ensures stability.
Many paths, one goal. The heart of conversion awaits. Transport gives way to transformation. This is where waste becomes infrastructure. Industry breathes inside these walls. Every system begins with order.
Control starts with people.
Scale transforms intention into power. The core is sealed and alive. Fuel enters its chamber. Nature works in darkness. Warmth accelerates conversion.
Energy begins to rise.
Invisible power moves forward. Automation never sleeps. What remains must be refined. Purity improves efficiency. Cleaning is controlled force. Moisture is managed. Time finishes what machines start. Nothing unwanted proceeds. Prepared material moves on. Consistency is visible. Clean systems last longer. Now, the real work begins. Prepared input defines output. Uniformity builds reliability. Prepared input defines output. Movement prevents stagnation. Uniformity builds reliability. Heat guides chemistry. Balance sustains reaction.
Life does the heavy lifting.
Energy escapes confinement.
Safety is constant. Time completes conversion. Patience improves yield. Stored power waits. Quality defines usability. Fuel commits to work.
Nothing is wasted.
Two products, one system. Raw energy is shaped. This is where engineering becomes reality. Pressure creates potential. Power gains direction. The factory breathes at full scale. Every meter is designed for motion. Fuel meets purpose.
Gravity is managed here.
Human focus guides machine power.
Motion becomes force.
Processes branch with intention.
Electricity is born. Structure begins to emerge. Energy finds its path. Lightness is engineered, not assumed. Stability confirms success. Nothing escapes unused. Systems awaken together.
Output remains responsible.
Accuracy is non-negotiable.
Byproducts gain value.
Entry becomes commitment. Matter completes its cycle. The process is now unstoppable. Automation now takes over. Everything moves together. Logic replaces guesswork. Every variable is measured.
Decisions travel at light speed.
Machines respond instantly. Accuracy is enforced. Problems are seen early. Friction is controlled. Heat reveals truth.
Silence means success.
Demand meets supply. One room sees all. Prepared for anything. Precision defines quality. Contamination is engineered out. Exactness improves consistency. Purity prepares precision.
Human sense confirms machines.
Moisture has no place in spaceflight.
Balance shapes performance.
Stability is built at temperature.
Nothing extra remains. Clean air is part of quality. Finishing is refinement. Only perfection advances.
Consistency is visible.
Every gram is counted. Nothing escapes inspection. The process nears completion. Flow remains controlled. Containment preserves quality.
Approval unlocks motion.
Final checks complete.
Proof comes next. Quality is verified, not assumed.
Accuracy starts at sampling.
Numbers tell the truth.
Composition confirms usability.
Detail reveals integrity.
Data records reliability. Energy must be clean.
And through pardons der Thema.
Safety is non-negotiable.
This batch is cleared.
Trust is attached.
Verification feeds completion.
Human judgment still matters.
Release to finish.
Completion is imminent.
The process concludes in form.